Hi, in this video we're going to create this procedural marble material from scratch in Blender, so stick around until the end. If you're interested in learning the latest 3D techniques, particularly in Blender, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me introduce our asset store website, where you can explore a variety of free and premium assets. We offer high quality game ready assets and also Blender projects, all of which you're free to use in any of your projects. So be sure to check out our store at blackcave.com/store. Alright, first let's add, for example, a plane. And also another object, a UV sphere is good. I want to test the material on both of these objects and right click on it and shade smooth. Alright, let's open the shader editor window and then switch to material mode by pressing the Z key and material preview. Now let's click on the plane, for example, and click new to create a new material and change it to marble matte and assign this material to the UV sphere as well. I want to create this material procedurally, so I need to use the procedural texture nodes in Blender, for example noise texture, wave texture, and so on. A marble surface includes many attributes, for example noise, wave, and as you can see we have many layers, so we can't rely on just one or two nodes. First, let's start with the first layer, Shift A, and search for the wave texture, or go inside the texture and wave texture. Where is it? Here. Press Shift, Control, and left click on it to preview it. And now we need to adjust the attributes. Scale need to be 3.2, and I need to increase the distortion. Alright, this value works well. And then details, increase the details. It's good. And detail scale, right? And let's change the detail roughness. Good. As you can see, this result is completely procedural and uses the real-time calculations, and it's not just a texture, so we don't lose our resolution when we get close to the surface. Alright, now let's add another texture. I will use noise texture. I will add all the procedural textures we want, and then I will combine them together later. This noise texture is the micro details. Press Ctrl, Shift, and left click to preview it. Now I need to adjust it, scale up the texture. Alright, now I need to increase the details. Okay, and reduce the roughness a little. And also I need a little bit of distortion. For the third layer, I need two textures. First, I need a wave texture. I will duplicate this, Shift D in. Right? Let's adjust it. And also let's reduce this and increase this value a little. Alright. And also I need a noise texture. This value is good. I don't need to change it. And I need to change the roughness. Alright, good. I need to multiply them together. Press Shift A and search for the math node. And change the operation to, for example, multiply add. Let's test it. Connect the color to the value. Now let's combine the layers together. I need mix color node to combine them. Alright, here let's add a mix color node and connect the value to factor. And then I need to select two colors. It will select the colors based on the factor, based on this noise texture. I don't need to change the color A, but for the color B, I need to change a darker color. As you can see, the texture has been applied, and I can, for example, pick another color, and this is good. Now let's add the noise texture, the second layer, to the game. Shift D and connect this to the factor, and this to, for example, A or B. Let's connect it to the B. And here for the B, I need to select a darker color. Alright. And here I need to connect the result to the base color and activate this. Okay, as you can see, a great effect has been applied. We can adjust this noise texture using the contrast node, brightness and contrast node. Let's change it to 0.2 and increase the contrast. It is good. Alright, now let's mix the first layer for the final step of the base color, and here let's Shift D and connect the color to the factor and connect this mix color to input B, and for the input A I need to select a gray color as well and connect the result to the base color. Alright, the result is very good. Can make it brighter. Alright, this is good. Now let's work on the roughness and other attributes. We can reduce the roughness like this, but I want to implement something that some areas, for example these areas, darker areas, have more roughness value, and the white areas have more smaller value of roughness. I need to use mix node, not mix color, mix node. And here I need to connect the noise texture color node to the factor. And for the A, I will insert 0.4, and for the B, 0.2, and connect the result to the roughness. Okay, it's good. Now I need to reduce the IOR, for example 1.1. As you can see, the light is more focused. Also, I can use subsurface scattering in some cases, and some marble materials it's increase the weight, and also I need to work on the scale and increase it based on the needs. Increase the scale. Right. I explained surface scattering in detail in the tutorial here that you can watch. Alright, next I need to reduce the specular value. Specular is the distribution of light if you don't know about it. And other thing is coat. Coat is very useful in this type of materials. Let's increase the weight. And as you can see, the surface is more reflective. Let's compare it, and it's very good. Alright, the material is ready, and you can download this material and project files from our asset store. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share questions and ideas in the comments.